Hey guys, it's Camden, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I got a big surprise for you all. So you're probably gonna be hearing noises, and we're just doing a fire. See? Did you hear that? You're not looking yet, but we have a nice fire. And yeah. So I have a big surprise for you. One hint, it is animal. And yeah, I'm so excited to show it for you. And yeah, I'm gonna set the camera. Then finally show it to you. Excuse me. So you probably hear lots of noises because I got an animal. I mean, animals make a lot of noises. Now, this is our little duck. Say hi, vlog. Yay, vlog. She is so sweet and cute, and I just love her. So we made a little habitat for her. So, yeah. This is little Harley. She's kind of like a Harley Quinn. But if you know the movie Howard the Duck, if it was a boy, we were going to name him Howard, but it's actually a girl. So I named her Harley. And she's so cute, kind of like Harley Quinn. And I love Suicide Squad, so yeah. And she just had a little bath in her tub, and it was so cute. She loves nature, to eat nature. She loves leaves, grass. She loves grass. And she loves fruits, like pears, because we have a pear tree. If you did not know, we have a pear tree. I'll show you guys. It's right here. And as you can see, we have a new tree. Well, not really a new tree, but it's kind of old. That just turned some colors. And trees has been oh my gosh. Are you following me? Don't worry, guys. She follows me everywhere, and I just love her so much. She loves me a lot. Trust me, she just follows me everywhere. She licks me. And yeah, she doesn't have any teeth. But let me show you something. Where? Wait, I don't. Oh. Okay, well, let me show you the tree. See, it's red and orange. And yeah. And this little one is following me. She's so cute. Comment down below. She's so cute. You know? Hey, Harley. She kind of knows her name. Harley. Harley. And if I go somewhere where she's not around me, then she'll cry. It's kind of sad. But yeah, she's really light. She's a baby. And yeah, well, this is kind of a short video. So yeah, hope you smash the like button. We'll see you all next time. Bye, and subscribe. Bye, guys. And like the Harley says bye too. Say also to me.